Mastering Notion in 2025. Essential skills for maximum productivity. As Notion continues to evolve, mastering key skills is essential to staying ahead and maximizing productivity. In 2025, Notion is more than just a note-taking app. It's a dynamic workspace that can serve as a second brain. Let's explore the most important Notion skills you need to master in 2025 to supercharge your workflow. 1. Filters, sorting, and grouping in databases. Notion databases are far more powerful than simple lists. Mastering filters, sorting, and grouping will help you streamline your workflow. Filters allow you to display only relevant data, such as unfinished tasks. Sorting lets you organize entries based on properties like date or priority. Grouping helps categorize items into toggles, making complex data easier to navigate. 2. Calendar mastery. Notion's calendar view is essential for time management. With a two-way sync between Notion tasks and Google Calendar, users can visualize tasks efficiently, use time blocking techniques, track tasks effectively for better productivity. 3. Framework setup. Notion isn't just a tool, it's a productivity system. Setting up productivity frameworks can significantly improve efficiency. Some key frameworks include to-do lists for task tracking, time blocking methods to manage schedules, journaling templates for self-reflection and planning. 4. Charts for data visualization. With Notion's growing capabilities, charts are becoming a must-have feature. Users can create task completion charts, performance tracking graphs, custom visual reports from database entries. 5. Forms for data collection. Notion forms simplify data collection. Key skills include sharing forms externally, setting permissions to allow submissions from anyone on the web, integrating forms seamlessly with Notion databases. 6. Buttons for automation. Buttons can automate repetitive tasks, such as updating project statuses, creating new tasks with a single click, quick capture for adding information without navigating to a database page. 7. Synced blocks for consistency. With synced blocks, users can ensure that updates in one location reflect across all instances. This is especially useful for frequently changing information like process documentation, standard prompts, commonly referenced nodes. 8. Leveraging Notion AI. Notion AI is an essential tool for content creation and refinement. Users can generate reports or emails automatically, improve existing content, reference databases for AI-generated summaries. 9. Inbox view for task management. The inbox view acts as a safety net for unstructured tasks, allowing users to capture items that don't have an immediate home, prioritize and categorize tasks later, reduce the risk of losing important information. 10. Mastering relational databases. Understanding how relational databases work is crucial. The raw database serves as the backend. Views act as the user-friendly front-end. Linking databases allows seamless information flow across multiple dashboards. 11. Effective note-taking strategies. Notion is perfect for tracking recurring meetings and brainstorming sessions. Key techniques include using toggles for structured notes, adding checkboxes for action items, applying a consistent naming convention like year_quarter_topic for better organization. Conclusion. By mastering these essential Notion skills in 2025, you'll unlock the full potential of this powerful tool. Whether you're a student, professional, or entrepreneur, optimizing your Notion workspace will enhance productivity, organization, and workflow efficiency. Which Notion skill are you most excited to master? Drop a comment below.